Afternoon, it's just past 12 and it's already 26 degrees out there, really hot today. Go up until 28, stunning weather, absolutely. But I'm heading towards some bars in the back there. Yesterday, I was scrolling around a little bit on Facebook and came across this post. Seems like the Joker's bar is going to be reopened again, but not with the same owners, no. The Red Corner is going to take over, and if you're wondering where is the Red Corner, well, I'm heading there right now because they already own a bar. Well, actually, I believe it's 3 right now, but it's all conjuncted into just one. So we're going to have a look down there, and then I'm going to take you towards Joker's to have a look at its current state. Afterwards, I'm going to head towards the beach. Want to see Tiki Beach, how it is doing today. Probably really busy, as it's absolutely beautiful weather out. But they also expanded, so I want to see how that expansion looks like. So come on with me today to have a walk down there through Benidorm, and don't forget, please, hitting the like really does help promoting my videos. I appreciate that, guys. Thank you. There we have a Jet2 Holidays bus just dropped off new tourists for the week here. Trying to turn on this roundabout. Some bars getting restocked down there. And as I said, the weather is absolutely beautiful. It'll stay like this. It'll go up even towards 30 and a little bit above, I believe. Completely clear skies, no clouds to be seen. It's beautiful. And even at night, temperatures will stay around 20 degrees. So I think it's not necessary to take a jacket with you on holiday anymore. It's really hot, that hot. They all put up parasols on the terrace down there at Riviera. And even Uncle Pat's on my left there. Plenty of parasols to keep you protected from the really hot sun we have here. So it's not the busiest yet, as you can see. It's just past 12, so most people will probably head up towards the beach, the pool, have a stroll around before they will sit at the bars later in the afternoon. And currently we're nearly at the Red Corner. It's just behind Uncle Pat's, if you're wondering. You can see it already down there, just in front of the Helios Hotel. So a little bit over a year ago, the Red Corner opened up over here. It's one of the bars that offers some cheaper prices. I mean, there aren't any places where you can get a bucket of Amstel 5 for $5. Really good offers you have down here. And probably the reason why they can afford to do those lower prices, because the rent of a place a little bit further back is much cheaper here in Spain. Here in Benidorm, to be exact. So they took over this bar about a year ago, and then they expanded even. About 8 weeks ago, they bought the Memories pub. It's now owned by them as well. And it's one huge venue they have already. Stretches all the way from here towards the back, the end of the street. This one isn't owned by them, at least not yet. But we're gonna head towards the Joker's bar to have a look down there, how it's looking like today. There we are already. It's literally just a minute walk from their current place towards the next place they're gonna own. So yesterday, well, at least there was a job, there were some job openings on Facebook where they said Joker's venue is going to open soon. It means the venue is going to open soon. I don't know what they're going to do with it. Maybe giving it a new name, new theme, new renovation now. Who knows what they're gonna do with it. At least they're gonna do some food because they're looking for a cook. Of course, music, so musicians are gonna be looked after. And of course all the standard stuff, security, bar staff, manager positions and everything else. I'm wondering what they're gonna do with it. But when this place closed in January, there were multiple thoughts of what's gonna come here. Some people thought a hotel with a big bar down here. Some people thought the Helios, which is right next door, bought it up and was thinking about expanding in there. So yeah. It still is just empty, nothing of work has been done yet. And the reason why this place closed in January was because the landlord and the lease owner couldn't agree on a new contract, unfortunate. Let's hope everything will work out and it will be open again soon. But it's just a shame to see this place closed here on one of the more popular streets here in Benidorm, the Avenida Filipinas. Now let's head towards the beach on this beautiful day to check out Tiki Beach and their new expansion. Wondering how that is going. And to show you guys a little bit how Benidorm is today. Of course the bars are pretty quiet. Really think the beach will be exploding with people. By the way, Tiki Beach isn't the only place that has expanded. Something else is happening here on the Avenida Filipinas at the beginning of the street. Right down there used to be a big shoe shop. Right now, nothing is left of it. It's all empty. Wondering what it's gonna be. I think a new bar. I think even the 4 Jacks is gonna go in there. But we might be surprised about that. So this is the new expansion area. Used to be the Bananas bar. And now it looks like it was always like this. Extra shading was added. Nice for those hot days, but also the rainy ones. Thankfully we don't have them that much. It's already being used well. And the bar itself is really busy. Plenty of people down here. Let's have a look how the beach is today. Is it any busy? Well, for a Monday, I think there are quite a lot of people here. Got a green flag. There's hardly any wind today, hardly any waves as well. Shame, I always love those when there are a few waves in the ocean. Work on these light poles on the beach is still continuing. They have removed a few pillars on the beach. The remaining parts of concrete is waiting there to be removed. Then they're gonna install new poles and then attach new LED lights with multicolor on them. Looks much nicer. The beginning of the Levante Beach all the way at the end is already completely finished, and they're working their way towards the end near the Rincon. It is taking already quite a while, so I wonder if it's going to be finished before the summer. Hope so, but don't think they'll make that. They don't work that fast. Here you can see new foundations for the new pillar that's going to be installed, and afterwards they'll remove the old one. Very subtle from a police car to go past. Nice and busy with people. Plenty of them enjoying some sun before they're gonna head towards one of the bars. Okay then, hope you enjoyed it. If so, then please do give a like, really helps. Do subscribe for more videos coming up. And let me know in the comments, what do you think is going to happen with Jokers? Are you going to visit? Are you glad it's back open again, or were you never visiting that place? Maybe you have heard even more news of it. I just looked quickly on Facebook what I could find on info for it. That was the only thing I could find. So time will tell when it's going to open, how it's going to look like, what it's going to be again. Thank you guys for watching.